If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Hi everybody, my name's Maria. What's your name?
Kai.
Kai, have you ever had Schweinshaxe?
No.
No? Well, Schweinshaxe is pork knuckle, and it's a, did you know Daddy and Mommy are German?
No.
Emmerich is a very common German name, and Craig and I were lucky enough to have Schweinshaxe, pork knuckle, in Germany. We were in Fusen, it's in the mountains, and we saw a castle there.
You saw a castle?
A castle. Yeah, we walked through it and everything. But I want to show you how to make Schweinshaxe because it is so darn easy and it is really, really delicious. Again, also called pork knuckle. I picked this up at the butcher yesterday.
Yeah.
And so what you're going to need is a pot of full water because you need this to be submerged in water while you're boiling it. And so you want a lot of salt in here, which I put some salt in there first, so just season it up a little bit more. Here, just sprinkle a little bit in there, okay?
Okay.
Because that's what's going to season your pork knuckle. It looks like this. It's crispy and delicious and so yummy. So first you will need to put it in water. Now I have it completely submerged. If it's not submerged, add a couple cups of water. We don't need any more salt. Oh, okay, it'll be nice and salty. And then you're going to cover it. Isn't this cute? It's a little piggy. We're gonna cover it and I'm gonna put it and boil it for 1 hour, okay?
Wow.
And then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like.
Wait, just wait.
To 375. And at that point, you're going to bake it for 90 minutes. So, ooh, look at that. Hot, 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 right?
Not touch water.
So I checked this about 30 minutes in,
Yeah.
and I had to add like twice as much water, didn't I?
Yeah.
I almost forgot about it because it was evaporating, even with the cover on. So I'm going to put this into a pan. And before you season it, buddy, I'm going to do something. You want to score the skin, okay? So I'm going to make about every, like an inch apart.
It's nice and soft.
It is very nice and soft. I'm going to score it with my knife to make these really cool designs. Be careful, it's very, very hot. All right.
That's way hotter.
That is way hotter, it is. And now, actually, I'm going to flip it over, and you're going to season the bottom as I make some scores over here. So why don't you season it really well with that good Redmond salt that we love. Yes, sir. Season, 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 just like Gordon Ramsay would. Oh, boy.
That's
So
how much I need.
I'm going to rub it around. That's okay. Here. Oh, I had it on the sprinkle one. You changed it. See? Just like this. Just like that, okay? Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Season, season, season. And you could add some onions and garlic to your pot if you wanted to, but we're doing strict carnivore here, so we're just doing some salt, okay? No spices whatsoever. And then you're going to add 2 cups of this liquid of your broth onto the shank, and I just realized that
This is gonna.
I
need more.
there, it's all good now. So now I'm going to put this into the oven for 90 minutes, okay? And then after 90 minutes, I'm going to get rid of all the liquid. I'm going to heat it to 425 to crisp up the skin, and you'll check it out when we're done.
Yeah.
All right, it's done. We had it in the oven at 425 for 20 minutes at the end, so we could get this nice crispy outside and it's juicy on the inside. We got like bacon on the outside, Kai.
Yeah.
Do you not like bacon?
No.
I know, right? So this is your pork knuckle. It's traditionally served on a wooden platter, maybe with some pickles and a little bit of mustard. If you want to do that, you can do that, but
I can make an artifact.
you can make an artifact?
I can make something with it.
Oh, okay, sounds good. But we
can
hope
just-
you have a great Oktoberfest, however you celebrate. Instead of beer, we're going to celebrate with Schweinshaxe.
Or